Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Ranveer, and in this video we are bringing a new product. This is Printride Pro Master Series machines. In this machine you will get the quality what you're looking for. This is an industrial based machine, and if you want to do professional works, right, like you want to do lots of color jobs or half tone and different type of jobs, and one more thing, production. If you are going for larger production, this is the right machine for you. So I am going to tell you about the different type of qualities and features, specification, and each and everything in this video. So first we will go for the outer part, then we will go for the zoom part. We are going to tell you about different kind of specifications and features. So first of all, we will do the outer part. I will tell you the outer features and specification. Then we will go for the zoom part. So first of all, this machine we have in 3 models, 4, 8 and 6. So 4 color, 6 color, 8 color. We have 3 type of model in this series, and this is purely one piece made of machine. I will give an example. When suppose you have something that is break in 2 pieces and you will join it, then it is not that strong. You can see lots of Chinese machines, and there are, and I am not tell Chinese, there are lots of other machines and all, like they have, they is for shipment purpose, to save the shipment cost, they used to do joinings. So this is a one piece machine. Whatever joints you'll be seeing, that is all the nut bolts, and after that these are all one piece. So the machine will be more hard, more strong and more durable. Okay. So first of all we will go to the down part. In the down part of the table we have 4 adjustment knobs. You can see in the down there are 4 adjustment knobs. If your surface is not even enough or there is some ups and down, you can adjust it with that knob, so that like there is no tilting or bending something, or you can adjust it according to your height. If you want some more height, you can give. For me this height is enough, so depends on your height, lesser height you can give. And then we will go to the middle part, the shaft. The shaft is one piece stainless steel shaft. One piece means you have a very big shaft. That shaft can hold 500 kg easily. So you won't get any shake in the machine. They won't shake. It won't dance while printing. So printing will be smooth. Like if it dance, then it will not be smooth, right? So it won't dance. It will be plain. So that's why we give a big shaft here. Very big shaft, so that its capacity is 500 kilos. So you get that stability what you're looking for. You get a great stability in the shaft. We'll go for the mechanism. All the internal parts of the machine is fully high tension. Means high tension means it can resist higher tension. Suppose you can see a car wheel or a bike wheel. What happened? You ride and ride, it won't get destroyed, right? Because they have the high tension metals inside it. So this all machine is made up of high tension metal and high tension bolts and screw. So you will get that like durability. Then we have 2 pieces of the machine. One is powder coated and one is zinc coated. Why zinc coated? Zinc coated will give you more grip to your registration and color matching. I will give you an example. See, there is a frame. It is just we have attached one frame here. Now if you pull, I will take my whole body down. You can see what is the weight I am. I am 100 kilo plus. So see the quality, you can pull, it won't come, because the pressure plus it's zinc coated. So this is more like you could tell grip you have while you do printing. Then we'll go to the next part. These bolts are machinized. Machinized means you have machine groove bolt here. You have small bolt here, which are machine groove, and so while rotating this, you won't feel any stack. Before, our previous generation machines, which are developed now, they have welded here. It's welded here in this position, but new generation machines is all are machinized. So you rotate and rotate, you won't stuck or you won't look bad also. Full of machinized. This on metal, what you use is lower gauge. Lower gauge means more height, more thickness. All are lower gauge metals, steels, and all are ISO, ISI approved. So high quality steels and metals we use, and the thickness are more for longer durability. Because we can see many machines and all, they are cheaper price and all. We believe in quality, not in quantity. So if you go for cheaper machine, you tighten it, you slowly this thing will get bent. You don't even come to know. Once after some time, your registration will fall. And when you invest, if I investing suppose 100 rupees, why don't you invest 120 for a better machine? So we believe on that. So qualities wise, if you go, it won't get banned. And of course, you have 5 years Printride warranty, what you can avail with this machine. So we have, first of all, we'll start from the lower part. We have scales on every pallet. You can see on the corner right, there's a scale, little bit camera direction you have to see. So there's a scale you might be seeing there. Okay. So I will take it from my side. See, every station have scales, stainless steel scales, so that you can align your pallet. Suppose you are printing in 4 centimeter gap, align all the pallets in 4 centimeter gap. In this pallet, you have adjustable knobs. You can put inside and put it off, and you can put varieties of pallet. So in this pallet, you can remove the pallet, you can put new pallet, and in Printride in India, we're the highest number of pallet makers. We have 40 different designs in a pallet, and in our office, I will make a video of pallets. There are different pallets we have. So this you can remove, quick release pallets, and these are all smooth edges. This is no chips, nothing you will feel. These are smooth edges, and for your better alignment, we have make a collar shape so that your collars you can put in the pallet. So it's a collar shaped pallet. So we come for the locks. These locks are very big. This can be rotate left and right so that you can adjust it. And if you're able to see this is a bearing locks that will lock here. This lock is removable. So future, if you are printing, this thing gone you have finished it up, here is gone thinner, or this bearing gone, no issue, it's not attached. It is removable. You can remove this piece and you can put a new piece. You want to remove this bearing, you can remove and put a new bearing. So these are make of brides, the strongest MS metals. These are brides and all. And this is the locks. And we have 4 bolts here. So that can keep the pallet to attach the pallet. And for the pallet bar also, you don't think that we have put a bolt and it will be it will shake or something. No, you won't shake, because we gave a proper support on a down so that it won't shake, it won't bend while printing with your body weight. So enough for the ground line, and we have given beautiful styles here. And this plate, the circle plate, it's like this big. It is around 10 mm or something like that. It's very big and it's very heavy actually, so that you won't get the shakiness. So now enough for the lower part. So we'll go for the next part. We'll go for the hand. I'll tell my colleague to help me out with the zoom. So in this whole palette, first of all, these both are adjustable. You can go up, go down, and it's have a quality of craftsmanship. We have like very good quality of finishing. It's not like amateur work. And we have 4 knobs here that you can expand, you can decrease according to your frame. Highest will go up to 28 inch, and like lowest it will go up to 14 inch. So this is the to manage the frames. We have micros here. This micro will go up and down. We have micros. We have height adjustment knobs. This is like it's not height adjustment knobs. These are off contact knob. If you want to make it up while printing, this off contact knob will help you. These are hand height adjustment knob. If you want, so now I kept in this position. You want to rotate it up. You want to go for down. This with this help of it, you have to do. This is a height adjustment knob. Plus, we have one piece spring. This spring will go for long and long print, and for a spring protection, it don't come out. We have locks here, spring locks, so it won't come out. No need to take tension for that. And this all are German made. These all pieces are, and the bearings all are German made bearings. And these all frames are one piece frame, so there won't be any quality issue in this machine. So we have told you about different questions of the specification of the machine. If you have any other question, do write in the description box. We will reply. It might be a little bit late because all are busy in their work. Sometimes we not get time, but we love our subscribers. So do write us, do mail us, and comment if you want to know any more specification. So at the end, last but not in the least, we will go for a dimension. This is a 6x6 Pro Master machine. So 6x6 will give a dimension, a rough dimension. I'll tell my colleague to bring a measurement tape. Hi. Please help us with that tape length. We'll go in the other side of the machine. Other side of the machine, and it's almost 9 feet, 9.5 feet. Keep it. It's a 9 feet machine. So if you go for a 4x4, it will be around 8 feet, and if you go for a 8x8, it will be around 12 feet. So it's a 9 feet machine, and this weight will be around 250 to 300 kgs. Depends on the packaging and all this thing. It will be around approx 250 kgs. There are many machines are there where the 2 bars are here. They'll put a frame here in that bar. So we don't make that type of machine because I told you we believe in quality rather than quantity. And these machines are made for the like one of the coolest engineers, and like we have great team of engineers. Like there are many fine quality who work for a very reputed brands like Bajaj and all in the past. So we have fine engineers who make these machines, and we believe in our quality. So guys, that's it for today. So like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share our videos. As I always say, stay tuned, see you soon, and be safe.